The PeriFlux 6000 system can simultaneously measure brachial and peripheral pressures. The system is equipped with up to 6 thermostatic laser Doppler probes that locally heats the toes and fingers to 40 degrees Celsius. The PeriFlux 6000 combined system features up to 5 channels of transcutaneous oxygen. TCPO2 measures the capillary function of the patient and is used for wound healing evaluation, amputation level determination, and evaluation for hyperbaric oxygen treatment. To save time, TCPO2 measurements are performed simultaneously as the pressure measurements. The system also features a built-in air compressor with 6 outlets. The pressure tubes are connected to the pressure cuffs, and the pressure can be individually set in different cuffs. Tubes and sensors are clearly marked for easy applications. It's important in particular in the presence of medial sclerosis on ankle level, as brachial pressures can be set to a lower level than the ankles. Laser Doppler is a sensitive and highly reproducible technique, and it doesn't require a pulsative blood flow. Therefore, it's useful for assessment on patients with ischemic and cold feet. The heated probes facilitate and standardize the measurement. This will spare the clinician the work of heating with other methods in order to warm cold ischemic feet prior to measurement. The PeriFlux 6000 combined system is the only system that includes all measurements recommended by the new Global Vascular Guidelines, issued by the Society for Vascular Surgery in July 2019. We recommend toe pressure combined with TCPO2 or skin perfusion pressure. The system can additionally also cover PVR, finger pressure, and segmental pressure. Reports are customized to meet the requirements of the hospital and can be more or less extensive. The examination is streamlined, and it's easy for a clinician to change the measurement to fit for patients with AV fistula, amputations, or contraindications that affect the standard procedure. Patient's medical background can be filled in, and this information is included in the final report. The generated results from the PeriFlux 6000 can be exported to the hospital information system, your medical record system, your patient administration system, or your picture archive. The standards for this connectivity are DICOM and HL7. In addition to using HL7 and DICOM, the report may simply be saved to any server in the hospital data network.